Hello, my little Tom Ford makeup junkies. I am popping on because I got several little messages today asking me if I had seen the new Tom Ford Soleil Flawless Glow Foundation SPF 30. You guys are like on it because normally I'm searching out all the new beauty stuff, and I was like, lo and behold, I did not know this was coming up. So, needless to say, I ran out, and my sweet little, my friend at the Tom Ford counter at Nordstrom was just putting the bottles out. And when I looked online at Nordstrom, the color range was quite different. So I'm normally 5.5 bisque in the Tom Ford stick, but there is no such thing of that in this new Tom Ford Soleil selection. So you guys, I'm just gonna show you. She did put this on my face. This is complete little first impression, but since you guys, there were several of you showing me this, so I was like, okay, well, we must run down there and get it. This has been makeup extravaganza because today is also the first day of the Sephora sale. So I didn't need to get any more, but you guys, for the sake for you guys, yes, I went and got this. And let me just tell you a little bit about it. And again, you guys, I just talked to her, but I did want to show you, they did put this on my skin, and I'm in color 6.0. So we were looking at the 5.1 Cool Almond, and it was just a little bit, you guys, they're very sheer, okay? So this is not going to be super heavy coverage. I want to see if you guys can see. Do I have a glow? And I'm sorry, you guys, I am suffering from some terrible allergies, so my voice is going. So let me first tell you, it's a lightweight gel serum foundation with sheer to medium coverage and a satin finish that glows without adding shine. So literally they took off my other previous makeup and they put this on. And you guys, let me show you. Oh, excuse me. Let me see if there's any more details. So you guys, the only thing I would say is I feel like this, she didn't even have all the bottles out. So this is literally, they just came in today at Nordstrom, and it looks like this, and it's a very pretty dropper bottle. And you guys, it's heavy, it's glass-like, very pretty, and it's one of these pipettes. And let me just show you what 6 point is. I wanted to get you guys swatches, but again, they did not have everything out yet. So this is brand freaking new. And here is a dot of natural. And you guys, it's very light and liquidy, okay? And I'm just gonna put a little bit over here because we were kind of in between shades. But since we are going to be coming into the warmer months, we decided to go with 6.6. And then you guys, I'm just gonna put a little bit more on, but she literally has it on my face, but just to kind of show you guys, I would say that it has that kind of blurring effect. Again, it is so light, and it is a gel-like consistency. I'm gonna fix my lighting. Is that a little better? Okay, sorry, the lighting was a little bit off. Okay, let me give you one little swatch. You can see it on my skin. So this might be slightly warmer for me right at the moment, but between all the options, you guys, I think this was the best one, because the other one that was close would be one down. It was 5.1 Cool. Here is this shade, you guys. I'm gonna just show you. Now it looks a little bit dark here. Now I'm like, uh-oh, did we get the right one? But then once we put it on the face and with the warmer weather, I think that this is going to be fine. And again, as it's shearing out, here's that. Woo, now I'm all worried. First impressions. Okay, hold on 1 minute. I want to give you guys just a little bit more information. So you guys, what it says, it's a lightweight gel serum foundation with sheer to medium coverage, and it hydrates the skin and protects it from the UV rays and pollution. The oil and alcohol-free formula features unique moisture complex of red fruit extracts, including watermelon, lychee seed, and apple. Together, they increase the water held by the skin cell. This result is immediately supple and hydration-packed skin with a satin glow without added shine. The buildable foundation gives a healthy-looking, fresh glow and provides protection too. So it says to add 1 to 2 drops and blend into your face with your fingertips, a sponge, or a brush. So you guys, she did use a brush on me. And again, I'm gonna come up, take a few pictures. I don't have any other makeup on. I mean, I have my eyeballs on, but we took off my other makeup. So right now you are just seeing the foundation. And again, with the color, now that I have swatched it, I'm a little bit like, ooh, maybe that looks a little dark, but again, I think the other one was pulling a little gray. So here we go. I'll just take a quick little picture. Oh. So far, I like the way that it's looking on my face right now, but I'm going to be very honest. I feel like I've tried a lot of different makeup today, been having a little bit of fun. Now, while I was there, then they had these new Tom Ford Extreme Lip Sparks, and I'm laughing because she was like, oh, you have to try this guy in Thrust, okay? So first of all, look at this packaging, absolutely beautiful. And then you guys, I'm a little on the fence of this. I mean, check out the gorgeousness though. Look at that. This is very metallic. It's actually what I have on my lips now. And when she first put it on, I was like, oh my gosh, I'm like my mom. Like, remember, I don't know if your mom wore this, but my mom had like a Revlon shade that was really frosty that she wore. It was her signature color. And so I was like, ooh, I don't know about this, this shade, but I'm gonna put this on and let you guys see what you think. And then as it kind of melded down, I felt like it made me look like I actually even had some lips because of that kind of metallic thing. So this is a little bit outside of my comfort zone here. But for the sake of being fun with makeup, I thought we would do it. So I'm gonna put a little bit of this on. And it looks like ba-ba boom. So I was literally like, oh, because she was like, oh, we've gotta put this on you. So we put it on. I was like, wow, it's a little bit, it is extreme. But then you guys, as it kind of wore, as we were, you know, talking and such, I kind of felt like it was, you know, how I've been wanting to get into being a lip gloss girl. I kind of feel like it gives you that shiny effect on your lips without the gloppiness. So I was kind of liking it, but you guys let me know, because this was sort of like one of those where it was the only one left in store and in this particular shade. And so she was like, just take it. If you don't like it, bring it back. So that is my little conclusion. What I'm going to do, you guys, is I'm going to do a whole try on with this guy, but I wanted to pop on, let you know that it's available. I would highly recommend going to the actual counter because the shades are a little bit different. And it's a sheer formulation, so honestly, I don't think if your normal shade, I feel like you're gonna be okay because it's that sheer to medium, because this even, you guys, this swatch looks really dark right here on my arm, but when we're putting it on my face, I don't feel like it looks terrible or that it's a bad match for me. So but I would just say that they're a little bit different. They're not at the exact same shade range. And again, she just got these in herself. So this was all new for all of us. Okay, couldn't help myself, had to pop on. You guys are awesome. I love my fellow makeup junkies. You guys are so sweet. You were sending me all these private DMs, and I'm glad I was able to score this, and I wanted to put this up real quick and just show you. This is what it looks like, you guys. So far, first impressions. Of course, as always, I want you to tell me if it looks horrible. Let me know. I don't have to keep it, but I've so far, just having it on for at least an hour, I do feel like it gives you this kind of healthy, nice glow. And again, I will play with it more. So thank you guys. I will talk to you guys later.